Well, as we mentioned, the heat has been overwhelming, to say the least. Sean's here to tell us, when are we going to get a break from all this?
Soon. It's on the horizon at this point, but if you did have a way to beat the heat today, it turned out to be a great day. We're looking at clear skies over Beaver Lake and plenty of boats darting crisscrossing across the screen right now. Overall, though, those temperatures made it feel very summer-like, as it's been feeling all weekend. Right now it's 95 in Rogers and Springdale, 97 across Bentonville and Siloam Springs, and 92, one of the coolest spots on the map, currently in Fayetteville. Temperatures pushing close to that 100-degree mark across eastern Oklahoma. 97 currently in Fort Smith, and 106 is the current air temperature in Mena. Once we factor in that humidity, though, everyone feeling like they're above that 100-degree mark. Currently feels like 104 in Fayetteville as well as Eureka Springs, and those are the coolest feeling spots on the map right now. 108 is what it feels like in Fort Smith. 111 is the warmest feeling spot currently in Clarksville. We're expecting this heat to repeat as we go in towards tomorrow, but overall Monday should be the last hurrah of that heat and humidity combination. We'll say bye to the meteorologically technical term of blah to describe this weather, and then we'll continue to see drier weather through the rest of the 7-day forecast. Satellite and radar continuing to show all of those storms and showers staying well off towards our north, everything going up and over us basically. We will see a few clouds start to work their way in overnight tonight, maybe the chance for an isolated shower through the first half of tomorrow, but overall high pressure has been in firm control over our skies as we've gone through this whole weekend. That high pressure system, though, going to be starting to scoot on back off towards our west, and overall that's going to allow for more northerly flow to start to develop, and that will tap into drier air and also some slightly cooler temperatures as we go throughout the rest of the work week. Overall futurecast, though, painting a relatively cloudier picture as we go in towards the overnight hours tonight. We're looking at a weak boundary starting to work its way through mostly the northern part of the viewing area as we go in towards tomorrow morning, which could pop up an isolated shower or two. But really, we're just going to look to start off on the cloudier side for the most part tomorrow. Temperatures by noon already into the mid-90s across Fort Smith and Sallisaw. Just shy of that 90-degree mark, though, in Fayetteville. Will continue to warm up into the afternoon, too, with very similar levels of heat getting up into the mid to upper 90s across most of the area. Just really the chance for an isolated shower through the afternoon, but I think most of the area is going to continue to remain dry, not only as we head into Tuesday, but through much of the rest of the week, too. Take a look at the rest of the 7-day forecast. No, that's not a black hole on the 7-day forecast. Actually, we're looking at meteor showers in play through much of the week. In fact, the peak of the Perseid meteor shower will be late Wednesday and early Thursday morning. Temperatures will also be on the cooler side, and we're looking at clear skies, which are perfect conditions to see all those meteors darting across our skies. Overall, taking a look at the River Valley 7-day forecast, though, the cooler temperatures come in the form of mid-90s, and we'll also see some lower humidity values too. So those heat index values won't be pushing above that 100-degree mark going forward through much of the rest of the week, after Monday, that is.
Absolutely, and I had no idea, Sean, that blah was such a big term in the meteorology world.
We studied, 4 years of meteorology school. That was one of the words that they drilled into our head, was just blah.
Good to know. Good to know. All right.